Hey YouTube, and I'm back with another video. Actually I have not been on here in it's been like a month that I haven't, maybe two months that I haven't been on here. I'm so sorry for that, but I'm not the best YouTuber ever because I just want to make videos. I don't think I'm at that level. But today we were out and about. I actually was supposed to get my hair done, but my mom had been doing a lot of stuff, and we didn't get home till like 5 or 6 o'clock. So, which is only 7 right now. 7 was actually about to be 8. But, we didn't get home till about that time. But y'all just saw that. But, we went to Walmart in the mall, and at Walmart I actually got 2 things because my brother actually, himself, he had to get something. So I decided I'll just go ahead and give a video of my slime. So I got some slime. It's like lava slime, but it's jelly slime. So the green one actually has glitter in it. This one actually is just jelly. There's no slime in it. So this one is just jelly. It's no slime. As you guys can see, this thing is jelly. Y'all feel that? Alright, that is jiggly. But this one is still jiggly, but it has glitter at the bottom, as you guys can see. Actually says it right there with glitter. So make sure y'all subscribe, like, and comment. Like I said, and I'm not gonna do this on a daily basis, but if I get 20 subscribers, I'll make more videos. See, that's why I didn't get 20 subscribers, so I'm not making videos. But y'all, I don't care. But I'm going to go ahead and start off with this one because I don't know how bad this one is going to be because it looks jiggly. It might go everywhere, so. After this video upload, I'm going to do a room tour because I'm not doing my room yet, but y'all are sitting on something brand new. So, y'all are, standing on something brand new. Y'all are sitting on something brand new, so. You gotta be. It's stuck in the other part. You got tape on it. Ouch. Should tear this thing up. I don't care. Dang, okay. So I got it off. Look at that jiggle. I get this. Whoa. Did I just break it? I think I broke it. I don't know how to do this. This is so sad. The girl don't. Well. Wow. That is the weirdest. Oh, no, I do not. Oh, my God. No! Dude. Oh, my, that was ugly, y'all. Look at my face. Like, yo, no, where is this like that? Ouch. That scared me for a second. I was like, I won't set up right. I'm just have to side chest. Sorry, this is my sister's old dress. She probably like scratched it up and stuff. Dude, look at this dude. Well, I cannot show you. I'm so mad right now. Like, dude, what the heck? How you set this up? I'm so bad at this. Y'all need to be a YouTuber. I want to be one when I grow up. I might get better at it. Dude, y'all see this? Everybody had sleepovers this weekend. I'm the only one who didn't. But my uncle came over. And we went shopping. I didn't get anything because my mom was already fussing at my sister because she clearly told her to get a long sleeve shirt when we were at that place. So in my hand, okay, so this is, make your hands like this. I got that down there because I don't know. I will not give y'all a story on that because it's just one little bitty thing. Like, dude, this is so slimy, like, and jelly. Like, it's really like jelly. Like, you eat jelly. But this is, like, more of, like, dang, I don't even know how to explain. It ain't that scratchy, to be honest. I don't think jelly slime, like, like, slime like this is scratchy. And I'm not a fan of slime like this. I don't know why I picked jelly slime, but I saw it, and I was like, oh, nice. I actually could have got, like, a container, but wouldn't this be more if you could get, like, 2 things of slime instead of, like, 1 thing that ain't, like, that big? To me, it makes sense. So, dude, I don't like this like that. I'm gonna set it on my dresser when I get my dresser. I'm actually with this slime. My phone's about to die. It's on 15%. I'm gonna have to hurry up, but I'm not gonna be able to play with this for that long. So I'm gonna put this back, but that is this slime, and I'm not gonna lie, it actually made my hands like that, like it's wet. My hands are wet right now. I will not be here this Saturday. I will not be posting Saturday, guys. I'm actually going to Kerwin's Windmiss for season pass, so I won't be. So I'm gonna leave this stuff on my dresser. It look like a little lava lamp. My hands are wet now and I can't open this. I should have did this kind first. I kind of like this one, even though I'm not a big fan of green. My hands stink. Slime actually ain't, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Don't. You see my nose? Ooh, that's ugly, bro. Psych. I thought I was being stupid all along, but I think I was. Look at this. This is already like all over the place. Who ready to see this kind? Yo, in Walmart, I don't know if it was the baby that doo-dooed on herself, but I know this woman, she was walking with her baby, and every time you walk past her, all you would smell was straight up doo-doo or something of farted, or I don't know, but it was not, no, it was not the type. Whoa, I like this one. Oh, this one ain't that chilly. Oh, I like this one. I like this one. Yeah, I like this one. Period. I like this one. It's poured down rain outside. Sorry, guys. Whoa. So, when I give y'all a tour, if the bed sheet is not on my bed, it's because I've been sleeping somewhere else right now. I'm not going to tell y'all why. I would, but I'm not, because really it's not even nothing wrong with that. No, I don't got time to be putting all that glitter. Yo, I love this one. It ain't scratchy, but it feel good. It feel better than that one. They ain't the same kind either, y'all. Yo, this one's so... Oh, it is scratchy. Oh, this is so cute. Y'all, I don't like slime like that no more. I'm actually getting older and getting not a big fan of slime or, toys, so... Yep, toys. I've been on my phone. I haven't been playing, actually. I haven't actually even been playing with toys. That's how you know I'm getting bigger. But not what to do homework is a daily basic. That's a daily basic, like, period. But you gotta do it, because if not, you know what the teacher's gonna do? They're gonna get on to you. I know, I feel like... I know how people feel when they begin to upset, because I feel like, can you get out of my face, or can you stop, yelling? I smell your breath from miles away. Sorry, I'm just playing. But I do be wrong lines sometimes, but I have actually got over my attitude for once, but not really. So I love this one. It's actually the most cutest slime. So... You actually ain't even getting my hands wet. It's just not even sticky. It's the best slime ever. Well, I'm not going to say that, but it's good. Like, it's really good slime, period. So, out of this one and this one, I'm not going to take this one out again because I don't want to put this back in. But out of this one, I'll say this one's a 10. And this one's like a... I want to say like a 5. Because this one ain't that good. I'm not even going to say a 5. I might just say like a 3 or something. Because, honey, this thing is not, like, that thing is not, like, good at all. Like, that thing get your hands wet. It goes everywhere. It ain't scratchy. Period. But I'm just having it on my fan because like I said, I'm so fair out, but this is a slime. This one get like a 10. You already know it might even get 100. Well, it'll fit back in there now because it's so. Yo, y'all be getting no. What the world? This thing is acting so stupid. It doesn't work. I'm not hearing my fart, bro. This ain't fart noise. Like, all slimes freaking fart noise. Like, that party slime, whatever you call it, because I should never did that. Why did I do that? Oops. Too bad. How y'all get this in? You might just gotta dry out, but this ain't work, boo. I promise you, it ain't gonna work. Dude, get in there. You little stupid something. You ain't stupid. It ain't even down. I don't got time for this. Sorry, y'all. I ain't gonna be able to pick that up this yet. Oh my goodness. It's so annoying. I don't want to take this back out no more now. Need a bigger. Ooh, that hurt. Bigger container for this guy. Because this ain't no joke. When it don't want to go in, it don't want to go in. Period. Dude, but oh my goodness. Like, hold up. This thing absolutely does not want to go in. Like it said, I don't want to go in because this ain't playing it. It's like. It's not down there, so it's not. Ow! Ooh, that hurt, y'all. I just hurt my hand. I was trying to rush it back in. Woo! Y'all see me when I get hurt. Y'all never see the good times, do y'all? Cause this, oh, good Lord Almighty, and that song was not a good time. This is just a. We don't get in the container. I'm just have to put this. This gonna have to take forever. Bro, why are you farting? You don't even fart slime, like. I'm gonna have to put it in, but why did I not do this? Like, you stupid girl. I ain't stupid, but look at this now. It's still gonna be up. Yeah. There. I'm like, oh no, I don't want this in my slime. Get it out. Period. Here, stay in there. You little good slime. Yes, ma'am. Yes, be that good. Yes. Oh, putting that back in was a struggle. So after this is slime, tell me in the comments which one was your favorite slime. I say this one, but y'all guys can pick any type. But I said the green one was my favorite. But make sure y'all subscribe, like, and turn post notifications so y'all won't miss none of the videos that I will not be posting. I'm just playing. But turn the post notification on, and I will be dropping another video right after this one when my phone charges though, cause that ain't happening. So I'll see you guys later. Tell me which one was y'all favorite in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys when my phone is done charging. Sorry guys. Peace.